Hello and welcome. Are you searching for genuine ways to earn money with less effort and zero big investment? If so, this is the video you need to watch. Forget the thousands of misleading get-rich-quick schemes. Today, we are sharing 5 tested and effective ways you can start using right now to make money online without needing huge capital. The first and most reliable method is freelancing. If you have even a basic skill like data entry, simple content writing, basic photo editing, or translation, you can sell it. Create a profile on platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Getting your first job might take time, but once you build a good portfolio and reputation, you will secure a steady income. Whether you are a student or a working professional, you can start with just 1 to 2 hours a day. The second method is affiliate marketing. Simply put, this means earning a commission by promoting other companies' products. You generate a unique affiliate link for a product or service. If someone clicks your link and makes a purchase, you earn a percentage of the sale price as commission. If you run a YouTube channel or a blog, you can review products and place the affiliate link in the description. With a good social media following, this can generate easy passive income. Our third proven way is through Google AdSense. While it takes some time to build, it's a powerful source of passive income. Create a blog or website about a topic you are passionate about and regularly publish high-quality articles. Once you have consistent traffic, you can apply for Google AdSense to display ads on your site. You get paid when visitors view or click those advertisements. Once set up correctly, your income can be generated even while you sleep. The fourth method is converting your knowledge into cash, online tutoring, or teaching. If you are proficient in a subject like math, English, or a specific software, you can teach students online from the comfort of your own home. You can set your own flexible hours and charge an hourly rate. This is a relatively quick way to earn extra money, requiring no investment other than your time and expertise. The final, easiest way is using micro-task platforms. These websites offer tiny tasks like filling out a short survey, tagging a picture, or simple data verification for small payments. These tasks require zero skill and can be completed very quickly. While this won't make you rich, it's a simple way to earn a little bit of extra pocket money daily. Always verify the reliability of such platforms before investing your time. Remember, easy money doesn't mean zero effort. It means you can start these jobs with low investment and on your own schedule. Always stay away from deceptive schemes that promise instant wealth or unrealistic returns. Invest your time and effort wisely. Which of these 5 methods seems the easiest for you to start? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching.